looks crazy. Good morning, guys. So,
hi.
Let me just set you up real quick.
Back here.
Cole's back there. But we were gonna go to the apple orchard today, but of course,
What?
Plans change. That's what I meant to say. But we're still gonna go to my hometown because we have to do laundry, and we have like $3 on our laundry card for here, and also we're poor, so we ain't gonna waste it or use it or put more on it. But there's like a hair in my mouth. Oh no, my cut's bleeding.
Hi, hello guys. I got hit by a car again yesterday.
Yeah, someone hit his car again yesterday. Also, my car is pretty much dead.
It wasn't bad.
And it wasn't his fault again.
Okay, really quick. I had a stoplight. The turning lane signal turned green. There was a car behind me, and there was a car behind that. The car behind me thought that was green, so she went forward, hit the guy ahead of me so hard he went flying into my back.
Yeah.
But there's just like, he had like a Dodge. I don't remember. It was a sports car. I don't remember exactly which one. It might have been a Challenger, but it had like a arrow thing on the front of it, like a, I don't know, it was shaped like this, and it put a dent in my bumper.
Alright, well, yeah, my car, it's been dying all of a sudden, so we took it into a shop, and they say that there's a lot wrong. Like, I don't even know what. There's just too much. And it would be like $1,300 to fix it, which is like the price of my car if it was fixed up. So we're not gonna fix it. And yesterday I was going to sell it, but the dude never messaged me back, of course.
Probably a good thing, because she was going to go get a car and she didn't get it.
I was gonna tell them, but I was gonna go get a car, but my mom was gonna co-sign because I don't have credit, but the deal that they gave us was just ridiculous, so we couldn't do it, and I don't know what to do. I have to keep looking for a car and have either my mom or my grandma co-sign or something, but yeah, we gotta go because we're running a little bit late because the place we're gonna eat closes at 1 and it's like 11 and it takes like an hour to drive there, so we're gonna go.
Hello.
You've never met Nana's kitten.
Alright, so we just ate at this cute little place that has been around for decades. And we used to go there when I was little a lot, but yeah, it's been a while. And Cole's never been there.
It was good.
But now we're at my mom's house because we had to do laundry because we had like $3 left on our laundry card and we don't have money, so. Oh, my mom's pulling up in her new freaking Jeep. Lucky her. Well, I don't know what we're gonna do besides laundry. I honestly don't know.
I don't either.
There's football on the TV and I'm not into it, so I don't know. Whatever. Oh no, now we're falling. Hey. This is ridiculous. This is also ridiculous. Oh, I stopped it. What have I done? Okay, we're good. Oh, the shower is so weird. Looks like a time machine. God. Who would put this in their house? It's so weird. Okay, so we went out to go find some caramel apples.
Because Katie was craving them.
Yeah, I saw them yesterday. Was that yesterday?
Mm-hmm.
Saw them yesterday at Hy-Vee and I was like, I need those. And Cole has never had one, so.
Not that I can remember. If I did, I was really, really young.
But we went to,
oh my god. My thing!
we went to Hy-Vee and we got hot chocolate, but that was the first place we looked because I saw them at Hy-Vee yesterday. But I didn't know if they'd be here. Now there's a car coming behind us.
Sorry.
But
it just came out of nowhere. What the heck?
But yeah, so they didn't have them at the Hy-Vee here. But I called Walmart and they said they had them, so they better. Yeah, we got some hot chocolate at Caribou because I had some yesterday. Because yesterday my mom and I went to the cities to hopefully get a certain car, but it just didn't work out because they wanted like $2,500 down on a like $9,000 car and 15% APR. Do you know how ridiculous that is? Ridiculous. So we didn't get that, obviously. Otherwise I'd be driving it right now. But yeah.
Also, guys, I haven't gotten in an accident today, so.
I feel like I was gonna say something. I feel like I was saying something and then I talked about that. Oh, because I got hot chocolate yesterday on the way to the place. And it was very good. So.
I've never had hot chocolate from Caribou.
It's very good. So.
I used to work at Starbucks for almost 2 years, so I didn't want to be a trader. But
it's good though.
What?
I don't know. I'm trying not to show my mom's card. She gave it to me so I could get caramel apples for all of us. So, yeah.
Hot chocolate.
Okay, I didn't get hot chocolate without her consent. I texted her and asked her if she wanted coffee, and then I was like, can we get hot chocolate? She's like, of course you can.
Did she say it in that singing voice too?
Probably. Of course you can. Alright, let's go in. By the way, it's raining.
I'll go. Can you go?
No! Come on!
Hi. We back. Just finished doing our laundry and stuff. Caramel apple was okay. I feel like could have been better. I thought it was good, but it's just because I haven't had a good one. Like I was tasting it and I was like, okay, this is good, but I just feel like there's better out there.
There is. Just plain caramel apples are good.
You know. So now we're gonna drive home and hopefully no one runs into me.
I don't know what we're gonna do when we get home, but I have to work at like 10 a.m. tomorrow. Which sucks.
Yeah, it sure does.
What?
I don't know what we're gonna do though. I'm gonna go see Chunky. I miss him.
Chunky! I love my cats.
Chunky,
I love all of my cats.
Chunky. I love all cats in general.
Yeah. But
focus. Huh.
But yeah, we're gonna go home now.
Yeah.
Just a little update.
Just a little update. Oh, I can't even see you.
Alright, so we are back home finally. What time is it?
7:39.
Don't mind those bottles.
No, Katie's.
Not the huge freaking thing we shared that. So, yeah.
Katie drank that whole thing in
Don't
one
play
night.
with the lens, cat. Hey! Oh my god.
What a butthole.
Hey, Bubby, I missed you. Okay, bye. I think we're gonna like make supper or something and watch a stream on Twitch or watch something on Netflix. I don't know. But yeah, so maybe we'll see you later.
Maybe.
If we remember to end the vlog. I don't know, but yeah. Chunky. Chunky, tell everyone how famous you are on Instagram. Don't chew those cords. That is the Wi-Fi. No. We need that. Get out of here.
Get out of here.
What a freaking turd. But yeah, so I guess we'll just up guys. update you guys later if anything interesting happens, or just end the vlog, who knows. Alright, so we forgot to end the vlog last night. I'm tired. I don't want to go to work. I don't want to shower. But I hope you guys enjoyed. I have no idea when we're gonna vlog next, because I don't know.
I'll figure something out for you guys.
Yeah, hopefully.
We will.
Alright, well, we'll see you sometime. Goodbye.